I'm making this video just to show how to troubleshoot if there's an issue with GoReact picking up the camera that we're using. I have to tell you honestly, in Harrisburg it hasn't been a problem. We are using laptops and we're using the external webcam, and so basically we're getting the laptop, we're getting the webcam. I am hardwiring the laptop because we were having some connections with Wi-Fi, so that's getting plugged in to an Ethernet cable, and then we are disabling the Wi-Fi on the laptop so that it doesn't go over to that and start pulling from the Wi-Fi again. So I'm not sure if that's something that's happening across every campus. The other thing I'm doing is I'm making sure that I'm plugging in the USB end to the webcam into the laptop so that that is all ready to go. So I'm going to work off the assumption that I have loaded GoReact as an assignment in D2L. Of course, an option was just to create one right in GoReact. I did not do that. So I have it as an assignment in D2L. That, of course, would be in my content area as a module. And so I have a GoReact module, and I could go to that, and then I have assignment links. Now, I'm going to show you I've already recorded all the informative speeches. So if I go in here, you're going to see that there is a list of all the students. Something that I did not ask my students to do, and something that GoReact is not automatically doing, is that it's not automatically populating the students who are enrolled in the course. So the reason that this list of students here is because I recorded them during class. I could have had the assignment, asked every student to go in, and if they just click open that assignment, their name's going to end up being populated into a list. I just didn't do that because I knew that half the students wouldn't do it, and quite frankly, it's not that difficult to just go in and do it the way that I've been doing it in class. So I'm going to go actually into my persuasive speech assignment because there are no students currently showing in there. So this is what it would look like if you also did not ask your students to click it open. So you would be in the assignment, and then you click the Create Video. I have been titling it with the date that the student's giving the speech and then their name. Click Done. And then it's going to be asking you if GoReact can have access to your camera and your microphone. And so remember, I already have this external webcam plugged in, and so that should be the one that it's drawing from. So let's just test it and see what happens. So once I click Allow, okay. So we see that it is actually using the webcam from the laptop, which is not what I want it to do. So let's see how we can do this. What is this button? All right. So right there is the webcam, and it's showing the integrated webcam. So if I want to change that, here it is right here. It's the Logitech HD webcam. If I change that, I'm in my kitchen right now, so sorry, I'll show you all my dirty dishes that are out there. And then, so now it's using the external webcam, so I would have this, we've actually been taping it to the wall. You don't need to see all my dirty dishes, I'll just set that down. And then once that's done, I just hit close. And when I'm ready to record, students ready to go, I go ahead and I click the record button, and they deliver their speech, and everything looks like it's going well. And when their speech is all over, I just hit stop, and so it'll just stop. And now let's say the next student is ready to come up and deliver their speech. It sounds counterintuitive. Just click the exit button. It's going to take you right back to that screen. As you see, we now have Jill right there, the recording we just had, and to watch it, and it happens pretty quickly. It's just this little arrow button to watch it. But now let's say the next student's ready to come up, so we just click Create Video. Again, title it with the student's name, whatever you're going to do, and click Done. We're kind of going through the same process again. I can click I never click the Remember button, but I could click the Remember button, and then it would remember which camera I was using. Again, to reinforce, if it's not picking up your webcam, this button right here that does not necessarily look like it's the webcam symbol, if it's not showing, look, I can switch back and forth. So look, now I've gone to my integrated webcam, and there, now you have me. So let's stop that from happening, and you would just hit record. When the speech is all done, you can just hit stop, and again, click exit. And we see that the video is right in there. So if you're having some difficulty with Go React finding that webcam, that would be the way that I would suggest trying to troubleshoot and get it picked up. Usually, as I said at Harrisburg, it has just been, that webcam is what we have used, and it has just gone right to that. It hasn't been an issue. So hopefully this helps. Sorry it was a little longer than I wanted it to be, but there you go. Call me if you have any questions.